Hi everyone, today on Cooking with Love we are sharing our festive cheesecake stuffed red velvet cookies recipe from our Christmas cookie series where we're sharing 25 of our favorite holiday cookie recipes. These are giant sized soft chocolate cookies with a layer of sweet cream cheese filling in the middle. Our red velvet cookies make a big impression and they are a decadent addition to your Christmas cookie collection. To start, we're going to make the cheesecake filling. These will need to freeze for about 2 hours before making the cookies. Combine 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat with a hand or a stand mixer just until it's well blended. Then spoon out about a tablespoon of the filling onto a sheet of parchment paper, and you'll get about 12 to 14 little circles. Freeze the cheesecake mounds until they're solid, about 2 hours. Okay, next for the cookies, here's everything that you'll need to make them. Sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, a little cream and vinegar, 2 eggs, butter, unsweetened cocoa, vanilla extract, red food coloring, and powdered sugar. I've listed the ingredients and the recipe for you in the description below. Okay, let me show you how easy these are to make. In a large mixing bowl, measure out 1 2/3 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and I'm just giving it a quick crush here. Then whisk all of the dry ingredients to combine them. In another large bowl, add 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of heavy cream, a teaspoon of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of red food coloring gel. I'm using the Wilton gel, and this will help give the cookies a deeper red color. Give this all a whisk to combine. And then add in the dry ingredients, and then whisk and stir it up to combine it. Then cover and place the mixture in the refrigerator for about an hour to chill. When you're ready to bake the cookies, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And spread out some powdered sugar. We're going to be rolling the cookies in this. To assemble these, take about a tablespoon-sized ball of the red velvet cookie dough and press it into the powdered sugar and shape into a disc. Place one of the frozen cheesecake discs in the middle of the cookie and top with another flattened red velvet cookie. Then press to seal the edges. Cover it with powdered sugar and place the cookie on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. How many of you have a family favorite cookie that's served up at your holiday parties each year? You know, the ones that always disappear first from the cookie table. Well, this is one of those cookies. It's another one of those favorites that look so good and they taste so delicious. I can't wait for you to try this one. This recipe will make about 12 to 14 cookies and space the cookies at least 2 inches apart on the baking sheet. Bake for about 10 minutes just until the cookies are firm around the edges. Let them cool on the tray for 10 minutes and then move them to a wire rack to cool completely. We keep these cookies in the refrigerator for about 5 days. And they look so pretty on a Christmas cookie platter. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I've linked the playlist for all of our Christmas cookies here and in the description. Remember, we're adding more recipes every day. Watch all 25, share your favorites, and be sure to collect your holiday gift when we post the last one. Thank you for your support this year, and I'll see you in the next video.